Hi friends, welcome back. Today in this video we will know how to hide your WhatsApp chats in your browser when you are working in crowd area or you are working in your office. Then there should be a privacy on your WhatsApp. So today in this video we will know how you can add this extension and customize this extension in your browser. So without wasting a single bit of time, let's start our video. So for adding this extension, click on these three dots in top right corner of your browser. Click on extensions, click on visit Chrome Web Store. Here click on extensions. Here you can search privacy for WhatsApp web. Here click on first one extension, click on add to Chrome, click on add extension. Here now I will refresh my WhatsApp. Here you can see my extension is not applied yet. You can, so for applying, click on last message preview, and if you want to apply on your all chats, then click on that. If you want to apply on text input, you can apply on that. And if you want your screen should be auto lock after 1 minute, 2 minutes, 3 minutes, then you can customize from here. Here you can set your screen password. Let me set it. I have set it my password, and you can lock your screen from here. So I think I have explained all features, and if you want to know more about that extension or you have any question or query, then you can ask in comment section, and I have uploaded and created a playlist on many useful Chrome extensions. You can check out that playlist. I will provide the playlist link in description. You can check it out from there. It might be helpful for you. Thank you guys. If this video is helpful for you, then please do like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel.